Welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to get a screen protector. Remember last time it cracked, but luckily it was a tamper sheet what got cracked, not the actual screen. And if this gets damaged, it would cost us 2 lakhs. Sorry?
Did you have any issues with the alloys?
Yes, I cracked.
Oh, are you serious? For whoever I talked to,
I cracked and I got it repaired from RLC car.
Yeah.
We do know. We all know. RLC also.
Yeah. So he also does RLC.
Wow, how do you fix it?
It's got scratched. If you see that patch there, bottom side, this
Yeah.
thing, that's the crack.
So we have an option, just like how your metal parts get damaged and all, we do fix it, right? So for carbon fiber
But
also.
carbon fiber is very brittle, right?
Yeah, but
No,
even
it's
though
not.
that
It's not brittle. It would break if you have a sharp
hard
impact.
impact. See, the
Okay.
carbon,
I fell in a pothole at 150, 160,
Oh shit.
that's a solid.
and that was like completely down like this, and the edge was like sharp like this.
Oh.
Pothole was like that.
Oh, okay.
If it was alloy or something, it would have bent. Even alloy would have bent, and I would not able to ride.
Correct.
I did not realize that it broke till I came home, and I recalled, oh, that bump I need to check. When I checked, it was cracked.
No, they are very strong. Carbon fiber any day compared to anything is very strong. That's when if you see all the hypercars are coming with carbon fiber chassis itself.
Yeah.
So it has the flex also.
So, but then in a Bangalore road.
But what I feel is the wheel itself had some manufacturing defect.
The first
Really?
batch had.
Because when I was leaving my hands, it was pulling me on one side.
Oh.
So I think the wheel has problem, and that impact, maybe it hit at that weak point and it cracked. Because people do wheelie and all,
Correct.
and they drop their vehicle like that.
True.
Nothing breaks.
No, soft landing, nothing will happen.
Soft landing, nothing does.
No, even some people, they just
That will
drop it.
eventually, once it is too much, it will.
Yeah. But it's only because of that sharp edge.
No, 150, whatever you had, it would have
Yeah.
cracked or
So
broken.
any wheel would have cracked, but other one would have bent or disformed.
Correct.
Would have been even dangerous, right? Like I would have fell probably.
Yeah.
This cracked and it was stable. Nothing. I did not feel any wobbling, anything. Nothing. Till I came home and checked.
Wow.
That's safe also, but too expensive. That if I had to change new one, it was like 2 lakhs.
Yeah.
But I got it repaired for 25k.
Nice.
And no problem after that.
Insurance doesn't cover carbon fiber.
No, alloys is covered under.
They are like, no, they are more like
It's covered, no?
standalone damage.
For this one,
Only potholes is covered. As I told.
Standalone damage is not covered. If it's only wheel braking, they'll not cover it.
Instead, you have to make the bike fall and then get it covered.
No, you should also matter, na?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too smart at times. When you're selling, then you will end up closing the double. Now what you're trying to say.
Yeah.
So you shouldn't be like a bit insurance I do. Then the guy who comes, he'll take your insurance.
It will not get heat and all, is it? No heating problem, right? Okay, okay. Down it's full open. And this screen is replaceable. This one, I can order and you can do if it breaks.
Yeah. It will not break.
It will not. Hope. Fingers crossed.
Unless you take a hammer and it will not break.
Okay.
See, now this is cash for a crash complete protection. This is for built for crash protection fully.
Okay, so finally we got Bonamici screen protector. If you have watched my previous videos, the screen was cracked all the way. Didn't wanted to take risk and ordered this Bonamici Racing. Again, V Performance here in Indranagar, Bangalore. I ordered it to them. It costed me 18k. But yeah, the prices might go up. He was saying Vikas at Performance, he was saying the prices had gone up by something like 15%. But then Bonamici Racing, they are the best for all S1000RR spares as far as I know. So this is going to be our new look whenever you are watching my videos. We'll do a vlog on all the accessories I have fitted on this bike, and we are almost 9,600 kilometers done, so 10,000 kilometers review would also come. So please subscribe to the channel. Okay, that's all in this vlog. See you in the next one. Ciao.